In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot trial guide to set up lead scoring efficiently. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you can manage your leads more effectively. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by accessing the trial guide for HubSpot Sales Hub Professional. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL, or simply click on the provided link. This will bring you to the HubSpot portal, where all the magic happens. Now, entering this portal will set the groundwork for everything we do next, as it's your gateway to exploring the robust features HubSpot has to offer. Once the trial guide is open, your next move is to direct your attention to the marketing section. Clicking this will initiate access to various marketing tools and strategies available within HubSpot. This section is crucial because marketing insights and tools are at the heart of effective lead management and scoring. Having this knowledge is like arming yourself with a compass that will guide you to the right strategies for engaging potential clients effectively. Now, let's talk about lead scoring, which is a vital part of the marketing section. Click on Lead Scoring to proceed. Lead scoring is essential because it helps prioritize leads based on their potential value, allowing your sales and marketing teams to focus on the prospects who are most likely to convert. It's like having a heat map that shows where your efforts and resources will be most effective. By setting up lead scoring, you can save time and increase your conversion rates significantly. The next step is to create a score for your leads. To do this, click on the Create Score button. This feature allows you to set criteria that determine how leads are scored as they interact with your company's touchpoints. It's particularly useful for filtering through numerous prospects and identifying those who show genuine engagement and interest. By creating a personalized scoring system, you're tailoring the process to fit the unique needs and behaviors of your potential customers, which is key in devising effective marketing and sales strategies. Remember, the goal here is to refine your lead management process, focusing on precision and effectiveness. Always take into consideration factors like lead engagement, demographics, and behaviors when setting your scoring rules. This approach not only enhances the quality of your leads, but also empowers your team with the insights needed to target communications more strategically. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering lead scoring in HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional. This ensures that your marketing efforts are focused and your sales initiatives are impactful. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it both informative and empowering. Until next time, happy marketing!